Let us make this simple homemade cake breakfast recipe with a creamy properties and mouth-melting and calming properties with just 5 ingredients. The aim of this recipe is to reduce the creaming stress and drudgery associated with cake baking at home, especially without mixing machine, and in turn reduce drastically the amount of time spent on a daily baking creaming. So keep watching as we do this together. Hello, it's Chinedu Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. To begin, dissolve half cup of sugar in a cup of liquid milk. This is the first ingredient. Break about 5 eggs into a clean bowl and then whisk until it is foaming. And this is our second ingredient. Sieve 2 cups of flour into the egg whisk and mix to combine. This is preferably done bit by bit. And this is the third ingredient. Add the already set aside milk and sugar mixture, which is our first ingredient, and don't hesitate to mix and mix and mix until it is well combined. Now it is time to add the fourth ingredient, which is a melted margarine of about 125 grams. Then mix slowly to ensure that everything is well incorporated. Add half tablespoon of a rising agent. In this case, we're using a baking powder. And after a good mixing, grease your pan with oil or margarine with a tiny piece of parchment paper. Then transfer your slurry into your pan. Ensure to level up the batter in the pan and transfer to your oven and bake at medium heat until it is ready. Yeah, so here is the cake. Looking good, right? Yeah, but I recommend this strictly for home use, either for breakfast or dinner. This is because it involves less ingredients and it is simple to make, but it is less fluffy. Thanks for watching. Please endeavor to click the like button if you are yet to do so, and subscribe, follow, and like this video. This cake tasted real good with a great mouth melting properties. It can go with hot chocolate, tea, coffee, or any liquid beverage of your choice. Big thanks for watching.